Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. Doing a different angle today, just trying something out. I got 3 new pickups in, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock these videos out for you guys. As you see right here, Nike Air Max 98 Quick Strike Cone Tour Yellow Hyper Grape. This is that Air Max 98 that dropped this past weekend. I got these from St. Alfred in Chicago. That's the online receipt, I'm assuming. I got these. The box is empty, I have them out, but I got these. They struck out on Nike. I did not get them on Nike. Was pretty upset. I kind of like these. I wasn't super bummed I wasn't able to get them, but then I went on St. Alfred and they had a pair sitting still. Well, a few pairs sitting. So I said, you know what, let me try for it. 11.5, and somehow I managed to get through, and these things are beautiful. Super, super bright. I don't know how much I'm gonna wear these, to be quite honest with you guys, because these things are ridiculous. As you see, it's that hazard orange, like that cone that they stick in the middle of the road. And then it's like turquoise and purple and yellow. This is just a whole bunch of stuff going on. But this whole Tiffany color is all ripstop, if you could see that. These things fit kind of small. I'm an 11.5, a true 11.5. These are 11.5, and they're pretty tight. That's one thing I'll say about the 98 model. They do run kind of snug, to be quite honest with you guys. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty nice shoe. Like I said, I really don't know how much I'm gonna wear these. And I know some friends that are already offering me stuff for this. I'm not gonna try to beat them over with it. But these things are really, really nice, especially for someone like me who's really into Air Maxes. This is a really great pickup, and I'm happy to do the review for you guys. But like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping them or giving them to a friend or what. These things are just a little too crazy for me, I think. But we'll see. So the flash is on here, and as you can see, it is crazy. The whole piping is 3M, and then along right here as well, that bright flash on it. Really cool sneaker, and you know, I love the 98. I have the Supreme Snakeskin 98s. I had the Gundam ones before I let them go. And it's not my favorite Air Max model. My favorite is probably, I gotta say, the Air Max 1, of course. Besides that, I do love the 97. But these just, I don't know, it just seems like the odd one out. I want to like these. I really love the Gundams. I wish I could have got them for retail, like I said. But that's probably the only one I would ever keep is the Gundam 98s. These things are really crazy, and like I said, I'm just excited to have them in hand. So to do an up close right here, the suede is pretty good quality on these, all the way around pretty much. And like I said, this is ripstop material. You can really see right there. One thing I noticed on quality is the eye right there is really close to the stitching. And on this one, it's not so much as the other. And that's pretty much it. Overall, there's no glue stains that I'm aware of here. Alto looks pretty neat. Quality control and craftsmanship is pretty good on this. I don't know if I've said it already, but these are true to size, if not a little bit snug. So definitely try to get your regular size, if not a half size up. I would not recommend sizing down at all on these. That's just the 98s in my opinion. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on these. I think they're really cool. Like I said, I just don't know how much wear I would get out of these. There's like a really, like a big assortment of bright colors going through this one. But like they sat on Europe sites for a while, and then when they sold out and got a release for the US, everybody kind of went crazy for them. I don't know what resale is looking like on these. I haven't even checked, but I would assume you can still pick these up for around retail. But that's gonna be it. Just wanted to give you guys an up close look at the shoe. I think it's a really dope shoe, and if you're really into these colors, definitely it's one to pick up, especially for an Air Max fan. But that's gonna be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.